What do all great leaders, thinkers, artists, athletes, visionaries have in common? Think about it. What do you feel like they all have in common? Is it money? No, especially not at first. Is it great talent? Not necessarily. You might be surprised to learn that a much more common ground for all of these kinds of people, these great achievers, is that they have a stillness practice. If you want to gain more traction in your career, chances are you think you need to do more. You need to reach out to more people. You need to do more to get an agent. You need to get more auditions. But connecting inward to the source of your creativity is just as important. Spending time in stillness will help you take actions that are actually much more effective, and you'll stop spinning your wheels. That's why one of the first milestones for actors in my signature program, The Table, is finding a stillness practice that works for them and that they can commit to and do on a regular basis. So what are some examples of stillness practices for actors? So that might be spending time in nature, spending time outside, not doing anything, right? It might be doing imagination work for your scripts or your plays. It might be a meditation practice. All of those things count. I'll tell you, if every minute of your day is scheduled and you're running from thing to thing and you're always frantic, I guarantee you are not reaching your full potential. And I tell you that from firsthand experience because I am addicted to busyness. I like for my schedule to be boom, 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 one thing to the next. But I can tell you that my creativity and just my productivity and my ability to be a leader in my career, in my business, in my life has expanded since I've made the time to just do nothing and be still. So I hope that helps. Let me know what stillness practice you're going to try.